Most cabin air filters sold today are generic knockoffs that barely filter pollen and pollution. Get the wrong one and you could breathe dust and hidden odors every drive. Ever wonder which cabin filter actually keeps your car air fresh and your allergies at bay? This video breaks down the top cabin air filter so you can pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best cabin air filter that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Puroma CF10285. For daily commuters and family drivers seeking cleaner air, this cabin filter presents a practical balance of protection and ease of install. Its construction centers on a soda-woven layer paired with activated carbon, delivering durable filtration that targets odors and maintains airflow. The near omnidirectional close-meshed non-woven filter layer blocks particles from entering the cabin, protecting HVAC components and improving efficiency. The manufacturer recommends replacing the filter annually or every 12,000 miles, with more frequent changes in heavy pollution or dusty environments. Installation is straightforward, taking about 10 minutes with an easy-to-read airflow arrow guiding correct orientation. Puroma lists broad compatibility with numerous Toyota and Lexus models, including SUVs and sedans, ensuring many owners can reuse existing housings. In real-world testing, drivers report noticeably fresher air and reduced odors during city commutes and weekend highway trips alike. When compared with a standard OEM cabin filter, this Puroma cabin air filter with activated carbon adds odor control while costing less. The pros include easy installation, consistently strong filtration, and broad compatibility across Toyota and Lexus models today everywhere. The cons include occasional fit variability across specific Toyota and Lexus models, and potential durability concerns given a lower price point. The activated carbon layer additionally absorbs smoky smells, gasoline vapors, and other common cabin odors, delivering a noticeably fresher interior air. The design features a clearly printed airflow direction arrow on the side, helping users quickly orient the filter in tight HVAC housings. This filter offers value by fitting a broad range of models across Toyota and Lexus lines, simplifying maintenance for multi-car households. In summary, the Puroma cabin air filter with activated carbon aims to deliver cleaner air, service, and value for owners with multiple vehicles. At number 4, we have the Bosch H6091C. From the moment you unbox it, the Bosch cabin filter signals a family-friendly upgrade delivering clean odor-free air for daily driving. Its build highlights include a melt-blown electrostatic layer and dense media that trap particles more effectively than conventional filters. Structural ribs increase stability during installation, while the color-coded blue and white design aids correct orientation every time. Bosch recommends replacing the cabin filter at least once annually or every 12,000 miles to maintain optimal airflow and filtration. The Bosch 6091C is designed for broad GM platform compatibility across Buick Enclave and Chevrolet Traverse, expanding user reach. The media stack includes an added static cotton layer that boosts capacity and prolongs efficiency under dirty air conditions. In road tests, the filter maintained airflow and captured fine dust with minimal resistance, supporting healthier cabin air over week-long commutes. By design, it provides true clean air without introducing chemical odor neutralizers, helping allergy and asthma-sensitive occupants breathe easier. Compared with a competing OEM-style filter, the Bosch version offers higher filtration efficiency while maintaining comparable price and fitment across vehicles. The pros include excellent filtration efficiency that exceeds expectations, broad vehicle compatibility across multiple GM models, and odor-free air for cabin comfort. The cons include higher price than basic aftermarket filters and constricted color options that limit aesthetic customization for some buyers. Thanks to broad compatibility, the filter mounts on popular GM SUVs and sedans including the Enclave, XT5, and Silverado families. Regular replacement at yearly or 12,000-mile intervals keeps airflow stable and ensures ongoing filtration without sudden pressure drops. In summary, the Bosch 6091C offers robust filtration, thoughtful design, and broad compatibility for families prioritizing air quality. At number 3, we have the Bosch H6081C. From the outset, this Bosch cabin filter targets safety-conscious families and rugged SUV owners seeking lasting clean air and reliability. The housing employs a dense melt-blown media with reinforced ribs, delivering stable fit and consistent performance across years of daily use. The filter achieves HEPA-level filtration meeting ISO standards with 99.97% efficiency for particles around 0.3 microns. Structural ribs incorporated into design ensure filter integrity, increasing the stability of the filter for optimum performance over its lifetime. Cabin air filters should be replaced at least once every 12 months or 12,000 miles according to Bosch guidelines. Compatible with multiple Ford models including Expedition and F-Series trucks, plus Lincoln Navigator, which broadens aftermarket support and installation confidence. In practical driving scenarios, it maintains clean cabin air even in high traffic and dusty environments, reducing irritants for occupants. When stacked against Fram Ultra Air, the Bosch 6081C demonstrates superior filtration capabilities and longer service life in typical family vehicle use. The pros include excellent filtration, durable construction, and OEM fit, ensuring consistent performance, easy replacement, and reliable compatibility across compatible vehicles. The cons include higher price and limited availability, which may affect purchase timing for budget-minded buyers seeking widespread nationwide stock. The melt-blown media and static cotton layers expand dirt capture capacity, meaning more dust and pollen are trapped before reaching the cabin. Compatibility extends across Ford Expedition and F-Series plus Lincoln Navigator, so installers can source replacements through many parts stores nationwide. The filter's packaging emphasizes ISO-tested materials and a rugged frame, which reduces risk of crush during shipping and installation. For families prioritizing air quality, the Bosch 6081C offers reliable HEPA filtration and straightforward installation across a wide truck lineup. At number 2, we have the Puroma Cabin Air Filter, a two-pack solution engineered to curb odors with activated charcoal and deliver consistently clean cabin air. This Puroma filter is tailored for drivers in urban centers and dusty environments, where odor-causing compounds and particulate matter are most noticeable. The filtration uses soda-woven fabric with activated carbon to capture odor-causing contaminants, delivering a consistently fresh cabin breeze. Efficient filtration comes from a close-meshed non-woven layer that blocks particles and protects the engine by reducing wear. Enhances HVAC performance by maintaining airflow, with recommended replacement each year or every 12,000 miles, and more frequent changes in heavy pollution. The installation is a breeze, taking about 10 minutes with an easy-to-read airflow arrow on the side guiding correct orientation. Compatibility checks are essential, so please verify the fit for your vehicle and ensure compatibility with Honda and Acura models. The list of compatible models covers a broad range within Honda and Acura, with Civic, Clarity, CR-V, and MDX families represented. Standout feature: activated charcoal layer and soda-woven filtration deliver superior odor control compared to standard filters. In real-world testing, the Puroma filter maintains strong airflow and odor reduction across urban routes and highway commutes. Compared to a standard non-activated carbon cabin filter, the Puroma model offers noticeably better odor suppression due to its activated carbon layer. The pros include activated charcoal filtration, easy installation, and two-pack value. The cons include higher price and compatibility checks required. The design emphasizes a slim, unobtrusive profile that fits most standard housings and supports easy hands-on filter swaps. For budget-minded Honda and Acura owners, this Puroma cabin filter offers practical protection, easy installation, and strong value. At number 1, we have the Bosch H6085C. From the moment you unbox the Bosch unit, you immediately sense premium construction and straightforward compatibility across popular brands. The target audience for this filter includes drivers seeking cleaner cabin air due to allergies, urban pollution, and family safety during daily commutes. Build quality impresses with a robust frame, a ribbed structure for stability, and a distinguishable blue and white exterior color scheme. The filter's dimensions balance fitment across multiple vehicle models while maintaining structural stiffness through rib supports. A melt-blown electrostatic layer combines with dense HEPA media to trap microscopic pollutants like pollen and mold effectively. An extra static cotton layer increases particulate holding capacity, extending life before replacement and maintaining airflow efficiency. Unlike some products, this Bosch model does not include added chemical odor neutralizers, preserving natural ambient air without introducing fragrances. It is designed and tested to meet HEPA standards, ensuring consistent filtration performance across real-world conditions. In simulated driving conditions, the filter maintains strong airflow and captured allergens, dust, and particulates without noticeable resistance. Compared with a standard non-HEPA cabin filter, this Bosch unit delivers superior filtration by capturing smaller particles and improving air quality. The pros include excellent filtration performance, a robust ribbed frame for durability, and broad compatibility across many Lexus, Toyota, and Subaru models. The cons include higher price compared to standard filters and potential fitment challenges in tighter vehicle configurations. In real-world testing, the filter demonstrated consistent performance over multiple weeks of use with minimal degradation in airflow. The design uses blue and white coloration for easy installation orientation, helping owners see it correctly the first time. Overall, the Bosch cabin air filter stands as a top choice for clean air, durability, and broad compatibility in modern vehicles.